I'm spoiled because I get to see the fruit from its infancy till it's in full maturity. It's one of my favorite things in the world to go out to an orchard when it's just about to be harvested and piecing together the whole puzzle that it takes to get people in the right place at the right time to bring fruit to market. That's my favorite part. We're a community that really comes together to make this whole thing work, and we're a community of families. Our relationship with Starr Ranch is the most important business relationship that we have. My grandpa was a seed salesman, and he was adamant. He would say nothing happens until something is sold. And we can grow the best apples and cherries and apricots in the world. If we don't get them to market and make sure that there's a customer that values that fruit, then we did it all for nothing. So it's an incredibly important piece of the puzzle for our operation. I would hope that we would be known for the best, freshest produce in the world. Everybody knows that apples are good for you. Everybody knows that cherries are good for you. They have health benefits, but can you reach for that and enjoy it and love it the way that I do? I hope that people can share that joy of fruit that I have.